Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this new Fish It update, there's a brand new location called the Mutation Cellar. This place is a special showroom where you can see all mutation fish displays, including their look and detailed information. And to find this location, first just go to Fisherman Island. Once you arrive on there, just look for this teleport door, this one over here, like this, and then just tap on teleport and yes, and after that your character will be instantly transported to the mutation cellar, like this. Inside this place or inside the locations, you can check out different mutation fish, like this. Over here there is many mutation fish. These locations may be useful if you want to understand mutation fish before fishing or collecting them, like this. It has many mutations. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can find the mutation cellar or mutation fish showroom in Fish It. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.